Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn Political Parties in Civics, Part 1. Now we will see about the learning objectives. To define what political party is and to understand the importance of the political party. Then to know the role and function of a political party. To understand the party system in India and the role of opposition party. Do you have any idea about political party? Is it like a birthday party? No, isn't it? Political parties nominate candidates for office. Then an election is held. People vote for favorite candidate. If they elected, candidates have to represent the party.
Listen up, people party, they say parties are fun.
What kind of party?
Like the Democrats or Republicans.
Now listen here, people party, they say party means dance.
What kind of dance?
You gotta get in your political stance.
Now listen up, people party, they say parties are fun.
What kind of party?
There are many parties, you pick one.
Now listen here, people party, they say party means dance.
What kind of dance?
You gotta get in your political stance.
Yeah. In our country, we are called Americans, and we can agree with each other on many things, but not always on everything. There's lots of issues. Parties often challenge each other with different views. Join with a party where your values are respected. Power in numbers to get your candidate selected.
One of the two largest groups, the Democratic Party. Traditional symbol is the patriotic donkey. Generally viewed to be those who think liberally. Figuratively said to be on the left politically. Party believes government should be large in size and nationally protect the well-being of our lives.
Why, how about the Republican Party? The grand old party, it's the GOP. Many from this party want the country more conservative, believing government should remain small and be reserved a bit, and do things only that citizens on their own cannot. The elephant is the party symbol and mascot.
Do you know who you support yet?
Hardly.
Well, maybe consider voting for a third party, usually the underdog. And it's evident no third party candidate has ever been president. Some voters won't let that change what they decide. Start up the campaign, you're in for a ride.
Now listen up, people party, they say parties are fun.
What kind of party?
Like the Democrats or Republicans.
Now listen here, people party, they say party means dance.
What kind of dance?
You gotta get in your political stance.
Now listen up, people party, they say parties are fun.
What kind of party?
There are many parties, you pick one.
Now listen here, people party, they say party means dance.
What kind of dance?
You gotta get in your political stance.
Well, the very first party in this country to exist was...
What do you observe from the song? They are singing about the political party contesting in the US election. Which country conducted election recently? Yes, America. Who claimed the victory in that election poll? Very good, Joe Biden. Once in how many years do we have election in our country? Yes, of course, 5 years. When we are expecting the Tamil Nadu state election poll? Yes, coming May 2021. What are political parties? Political parties are the voluntary associations of individuals with broad ideological identity who agree on some policies, formulate an agenda, and program for the society. Now say it again, what are political parties? Political parties are the voluntary associations of individuals with broad ideological identity who agree on some policies. Very good. And political parties seek to implement their policies by winning people's support through election. Any political party has 3 basic components. What are they? The leader, the active members, and the followers. What are the 3 basic components of political party? The leader, the active members, and the followers. Why it is very important? Because political parties are the backbone of democracy. Why political parties are important? Political parties are the backbone of democracy. Without political parties, democracies cannot exist. If we do not have political parties, every candidate will be independent, isn't it? No one will be able to make any promises to people about major policy changes. As societies become large and complex, they also need some agencies to gather different views on various issues and to present these to the government. How a party is recognized? It has been engaged in political activity for 5 years, and its candidates secure at least 6% of total votes in the last general election. Next, we are going to see about characteristics of political parties. And if you take political parties, they are having some common goals. And they have own plans and program. They capture power only by constitutional means. And they emphasize national welfare. Next one, functions of the political parties. They provide loyal opposition and stability. And they nominate individuals to elected office. They organize political campaign, rallies, and announcement of manifesto to win public office. And they inspire different policies and programs for the welfare of the people. They connect the society and the state, coordinate among members elected to office. And the political parties govern the government and develop the public policy. If you take the types of party system, there are 3 major types of party system. What are they? Single party system, bi-party system, and multi-party system. What are the 3 major types of party system? Single party system, bi-party system, and multi-party system. If you take single party system, it is a system in which a single political party has the right to form the government. That is, the whole country is ruled by a single party. For example, China, North Korea, and Cuba, they follow single party system. Next one, bi-party system. Bi means 2, isn't it? In bi-party system, the power is usually shared between 2 parties. Of the 2 parties, one becomes the ruling party and the other becomes opposition party. Those who got high amount of votes, they become the ruling party. And those who got a less amount of votes, they become opposition party. This bi-party system is followed in UK and USA. And the last one, multi-party system. When the competition for power is among 3 or more parties, the system is known as multi-party system. This type of party system is in existence in India, France, Sweden, Norway, etc. In India, different parties are there. For example, Congress, Trinamool Congress, BJP, Communist, ADMK, DMK, etc. Isn't it? So in India, we are following multi-party system. Okay children, now we are going to have some short recap from today's lesson. What are political parties? Political parties are the voluntary association of individuals with broad ideological identity who agree on some policies. And what are the three basic components of political party? The leader, the active members, and followers. Why political party is very important? Because it is the backbone of democracy. And what are the characteristics of political parties? They are having some common goals and some plans and programs. They capture power only by constitutional means, and they emphasize national welfare. What are the three types of party system? Yes, single party system, bi-party system, and multi-party system. What is single party system? A system in which a single political party has the right to form the government. Very good. And what is bi-party system? In bi-party system, the power is usually shared between two parties. And what is multi-party system? When the competition for power is among three or more parties, it is called as multi-party system. Okay, very good children. We'll meet you in the next class. Bye-bye.